Hey guys, today we're going to be making my first slime video, and I'm actually pretty excited because surprisingly it's my first. So today I'm actually going for a pinkish color slime, so let's just see what happens. So I'm gonna have this glue first. Now I'm gonna add the glue. Which one should I pick? There's green, and there's this orangish type of red. I think this will go more pink. So let's add this. I'm not gonna add all of it, but I'm gonna add a little. I think that's good enough. Now it's time to add water. Now I'm going to start mixing my first slime. I can actually see it turning pink. Wow. Slime! I really love slimes. Easy to make slime, make it all the time. Slime! I really love slimes. Easy to make slime, make it all the time. It's getting thicker. I'm just gonna keep on mixing, and we're gonna show our slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so this is my slime. It's apparently very, very sticky, and I actually like it. Like droops down when you do that. I like it. And I actually did go for the pink that I was looking for, but it's actually a little bit tiny less pink, so yeah. But it's good for my first try. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.